A world away from Manhattan, but close enough to commute from this luxurious oasis. Minutes from some of the best beaches that New Jersey has to offer is this beautiful, active adult townhome, Riverview at Hoffman's Marina. Come take a tour of this 3-level, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,407 square feet waterfront masterpiece. This could be a beautiful 3rd-bedroom suite, or if you need some work done at home, you've got this beautiful office den area filled with natural lighting. And when you're ready to take a break, grab a beverage and come sit outside on the patio. Getting around this townhouse is really easy when you have an elevator. Let's head on up to the 2nd floor where you can see the dining room, living room, and kitchen. Unwind and relax in the serene living space, or even head outside to the balcony for some sweeping panoramic views of the marina and ocean. If you've always loved to cook, or you've been sharpening your chef skills during this downtime, you are going to love the kitchen, complete with custom wood cabinets, granite countertops, and high-end Viking and Bosch appliances. This ensuite master has a big, spacious walk-in closet and its own double-sided fireplace, so you can recline in your jacuzzi tub by the fire. And what's a master bedroom on the water without its own balcony overlooking the Manasquan River and ocean? Your guests get to have their own bedroom with a full bath and balcony. This waterfront property is not just a home, it's a lifestyle.